Hi, my name is Rick Wyckoff. You can check out our website at avatartattoo.com. I'm here on behalf of expertvillage.com, and we're talking about tips and tricks for tattoos. One of the things that you'll often see when you're getting a tattoo is they'll take a line drawing of whatever your design is, and in order to get it on your skin, they use a piece of thermographic transfer paper. Now this is sort of a dated or an antiquated thing. This paper they used to use for making transparencies for overhead projectors and the like, but also for ditto masters in schools before they had copiers and the like. They had this thing that you cranked that had a drum on it, and basically this image would be transferred through this carbon onto this image, or onto this piece of paper. And they take this piece of paper and put it on the machine, and it would crank out a bunch of carbon copies. But what we do is put this through a thermographic transfer maker. So after I've run it through the thermographic transfer maker, basically I end up with an exact duplicate of the line drawing. So I remove the carbon copy from the rest of it, and this basically adheres to the skin after it's moistened a little bit with some soap and water.